is practical evidence that if we really know something is benefiting us, we do. We deliver parcels, we wash plates, we put in data in the computer, we are wandering on the road, driving people from here, A to B. Taxi driver, I've been taxi driving so many years. What we do is taking one person. For the same person, if he's asked, a family member asks, oh, can you give me a lift to town center? Okay. Second time he says, mother says, I want to go Asda, now I want to go LD. Oh no, this is again. But the same person, if someone says, yeah, can you take Manchester Airport if you're driving a taxi, music for his ears. Goes running. And he thinks if I get a Birmingham from there, he is super happy. Running like a chicken, actually very happy. What is this? This is that a person, he needs software update. A corrupted software has actually uploaded in his mind, and now he is actually running for other things, for Salah. If Allah Azza wa Jal asks, that is for your benefit as well. He doesn't want, he is lazy. ये अभी फजर की नमाज हो रही है. टॉयलेट क्लीनर तो वो क्लीनर्स जितने हैं वो तो साढ़े 4 बजे 5 बजे काम पे जाते हैं. फजर की नमाज बड़ी लेट हो, अर्ली हो गई थी. It's your paradise, it's your prayer, you are going to enjoy. You are going to lose if you go to hell. If you go to paradise, it's your kingdom, you are going to benefit. So this means the person have, and if says one day, I warn many people, my children including, that this is now the day of winter, day of summer, night is very short, be careful. 2 days they will come, another day, then again they sleep. This is a joke. We've taken Deen for joke. It's okay if we get, if not, that's fine as well. Wise work, that's like actually most precious thing. Everyone's up 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Night shift people are doing night shift, they are doing day shift. Afternoon are doing after, drivers are doing driving.